Hello. Scratch is an excellent way to have your students give presentations. They can record sound or both.
You can even use a text-to-speech extension.
And they can customize it for fun effects.
They can have fun learning to animate or playing with backgrounds. They can give you a tour of a famous historic site. All with not much more time or effort than a Google slideshow, but with much more opportunity to learn new skills and customize their project.
One of the great things about Scratch is it doesn't only allow a student to present a project, it allows them to start from a scaffolded point of view. You can take your demo project, put it up into Scratch as a shared project, allow your students to see inside, and now they see the code that you've made in order to create your project. You can have them just simply change text if they're not interested in taking the project further, but it also gives kids a chance to really show off their skills. They can create custom sprites in the paint area over here. They can also load sprites of their own with custom animations. They can take it as far or as little as they want in order to create an interesting project. This gives students who might not feel academically successful a way to really show off some skills that they have that they might not normally get the credit for showing off. And in the end, they have a project that they can feel really proud of, and that they can also in turn share with their family members, near and far. This is especially a great project during these times where we're doing so much distant learning, because kids don't have those chances to practice up in front of the room skills. You can give them a chance to practice different skills.